Get it out! Get it out! Monkey, go inside. Go inside. Harper, go inside. I don't know what is that.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Edison back with another heavy hitter. Going into Memorial Day weekend. Hey Google, stop. Yes, going into Memorial Day weekend. I hope that everyone is going to have a blast with their friends, their family, their loved ones, their children, or whatever. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you guys are going to be doing for the Memorial Day weekend and what you're going to be celebrating. Make sure to like this video. Subscribe to the channel if you have not joined the family. Join the bunch, man. What you guys have been doing if you haven't joined us already. But with that being said, this weather is extremely weird, guys. As I'm trying to get the yard ready. Look, I'm telling you, it's sunny outside and it's raining. Look at the pool. See the raindrops? But it's sun over there. I'm trying to get the grill going. I have the fire going because it's chilly as well. It's like what? No more than like 60-something degrees. But it's been like this for the last 2 weeks, man. This spring is annoying. This spring is annoying. Like, it's like strange. It don't even feel like spring. It feels more like fall. And it just has everyone confused out here. But with that being said, I don't care about none of that. We're just trying to enjoy Memorial Day weekend. I'm trying to enjoy Memorial Day weekend. We're trying to have a lot of fun, trying to have a blast. I'm trying to barbecue, trying to get food on the grill. Trying to watch this important game 2 tonight with the New York Knicks. Let's go Knicks. We're not going to get into the whole discussion of what happened in game 1. But hopefully they bounce back tonight. But I'm trying to get out to the yard and get stuff on the grill, man. Alright, we started the bonfire right here. We got it going. Looking really, really nice. I need more wood though. But say what's up. Got the burger. Let me put the flame a little higher. It's not too early. It's never too early to grill. Crazy?
What are you doing? You jumping in? Well, at least it's getting clear. It's getting there. It's getting there. I can see the bike that Maya threw in there, bro. And what is that? Yeah. I can see the back part of it. That only tells me that it's clearing up. Girl! Girl! What happened? What happened? We're coming in, Mommy. It's starting to rain. Oh, Mama, it's drizzling. It's drizzling. We're coming in. Hold on. We'll be right there, baby. Get it out! Get it out! Get it out! Harper, go inside. Mommy, go inside. Go inside. Harper, go inside. I don't know where it's going. It's still there.
I see. What is that?
Bro, where did it go?
It's right there.
I don't want to come down.
Hold on. What is that?
I don't want to come down. Dude.
I'm trying to get it out of the yard.
Oh my god, the basement door is open. What if I throw the sheet on it? What do you think? Throw the sheet?
Throw the sheet.
Oh my god!
It fell in there?
Oh no!
What is that?
Bro.
Go.
Bro, don't. That has lights in it? Does that have lights in it?
Oh, hey.
But it dropped the lights at the side.
Right, it's fine. I just want to get that out, whatever that is.
Ooh. Pick up that saw. Oh my god. How are you gonna get that out of there?
I don't know.
Can you just grab it? Oh shoot. You think it's the neighbors?
I don't know.
The people who like the farm? I mean, they don't have a farm, but you know what I'm talking about with the coop.
The salt's like in the way.
So move it. Nuh-uh. Cause the bird is free, Paisley. That thing is vicious.
Door open.
Yo, I can't. No, I just... No. It's vicious. No. Nope.
How am I gonna get this up? How about if I wrap it with the blanket?
How you gonna grab it? How you gonna grab it?
That's a good question. That's just on me. It's gonna be wild now when I throw that on it, but he's like trying to get him out. Should I try to come
Can
in?
you pick up that chainsaw? That straw? No, pick it up. It's not gonna do nothing to you.
Hey, quiet.
Close that door. Move her in and close the door. That thing sounds like it's stressed. Bro.
Is there any gloves?
Gloves? I mean, where's the black gloves?
Okay.
What if we just leave the door open? You think it just leave on its own?
I don't think it knows how to get up. I think we could do that, but
Nope.
he's definitely like stressed. He's like hiding, trying to get this out. Like,
That's what I'm saying. I think it's scared. Doing that?
Is it hiding itself?
I don't know what is it.
Dad, just grab it.
Hell no. He's trying to lift up his head. It's alright. You got it? Crazy, bring her inside. Bring her inside. Because if that thing goes free. Harper!
got it. I got it.
Set it outside the gate. Throw it. Just throw it. Oh. Are you gonna just leave it there?
Yeah, I'm not messing with that. I don't know what the hell is that. Run it. Come on, close the gate because I don't want. He's like looking around. He's like, where am I?
I think it came from the house next
Oh
door.
my God. Huh?
Oh hell.
Lord have mercy.
Bro.
Whoa! Go,
This thing right
go!
there, look, he ain't doing nothing. I don't care, but it came out of nowhere. I don't know. All right. Well, guys, yo, that right there, my heart is pounding. I had to use the broom. I don't know what kind of vicious animal that was, but it was like wild. It was like laying there. It looked like a wild turkey, but look, he's just laying there.
That is a wild turkey.
Let us know in the comments down below. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe with your friends.
Yeah,
And
I
join
know,
the
but I think it's scary.
No,
Join
it's
the
a wild
bunch.
turkey.
subscribe to the channel.
It's leaving.
Becky, hold on.